Alright, let's do something else. What we gonna do? How about another boozer emergency kit? We got a flask here, we got a couple shot glasses. Oh, excuse me. And let's see. Well. Oh yeah, this, yeah, oh yeah. This black walnut from South Carolina. Yeah. Oh yeah. Leave that on there. Oh yeah, buff it up. Put some finish on it. Oh baby. And we'll put this flask somewhere like right here. Make a little holder for it. And maybe make a holder for these shot glasses at an angle like this. Fit in right there. Cut it off here. Sand it up. Finish it up. Yeah, we'll have a new Boozer's emergency kit to hang on the wall. What do you say? Huh? Yeah, okay. Uh-huh. Right on, Leo. Uh-huh. Let's make this cut here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna turn this later. Yeah. That's piece of one right there. Right here. One of these. Okay, now we're gonna buff some of this rough edges here with this Porter cable restorer thing here. With this like a Vertex pad on it there. Yeah. Okay, right. Yeah. Here we go. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Let's see. Let me see here. I mean, check this goddamn camera. Piece of shit hole. Hang on. Okay, whatever. Alright, now let's send this piece of crap black walnut with some 80 grit here first on this surface here. We want this surface nice. Some 150, 150, buck and a half. The damn holes don't want to stay in there, piece of crap. Oh, Jesus. Well, that's enough damn sanding for now. We'll hit it with 220 right when we're getting ready to put some finish on, but that's up to I think it's 150 or 180, whatever. Pretty good there. This wood's got a lot of wormholes and all kinds of bullshit in it. Well, it's that character that them damn people like these days. Yeah, they eat that stuff up. They eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, I drew a line on there to cut that bottom off a little weird. I tried to draw a straight line, but after that wild turkey, that line didn't come out too fucking straight, so there it is. Anyway, let's go cut that on the bean saw. See if I can keep from cutting my fingers off. Okay, I just started cutting it. I don't know where the hell you guys were at, but I started without you. So let's continue on here. There. I think that's kind of what I want. Just something crazy, man. Crazy. Yeah, that'll work. That'll freaking work. Uh-huh. Yeah. Turn the light off. Yeah. Born. Alright. Man, let's get some sanding done. before the belt went crazy, went all the way down and jammed up. Couldn't get it adjusted quick enough. I don't know what made it shoot down there, but let's get this freaking thing fixed. Okay, got her fixed. I just flipped the belt over while I was at it, got it unjammed, and we're back at it. I was gonna skewer myself on the end of this thing here and drive that thing right through my big old fat gut, you know. Oh, booze come running out. Okay, now I put a 45 on the square edges here. Did it on the router table here. I didn't show it because, you know what, I didn't want to show it. Yeah. So anyway, I got a 45 here and around on this fancy curve, and oh, someone's calling me. Oh, God, who the heck is that? Oh my God, it's the president. Hang on. Oh God, I hate standing. Oh Jesus. Oh yeah, right on. Let's see. Raise this thing up here, clamp it down, tip that. So I think I'm gonna spray a couple coats of clear shit on there, and before I make the holders for the thingamabobbers that are going on there. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I'm out here in the bullshed, pole, not Polish, just pole. Like what's in the four corners of this thing, pole shed. And I'm putting some coats on this stupid boozer emergency kit here. I got one coat on it already. I'm shaking the old rattle can. Let's get another coat on her. Okay, I've been working on the holders on this stupid emergency kit here to hold the shot glasses and the flask. Yeah. So did some little bending with some rod there. I've got these two shot glass holders and the flask holder there. And then I sprayed them with some that Dip It rubberized coating. So anyway, these shot glasses are going to go in here, except they'll be at about a 45-degree angle. And, man, I'm a little under the weather this morning. Then this will end up holding in the Flascarino here. And we'll put a stop on the bottom there. So that's the goal there, you know what I mean? Huh? And this is my little bender Ron One hand made a long time ago. I didn't do too bad a job on that sucker for being such a weird little imbecile, but there it is, and there's what I did bending. And let's next thing up, we'll probably start drilling holes and mounting those things on that there cool walnut board. Get this thing done so I can get back in my Peterbuilt and get back on the road. Okay, now I'm going to start drilling the holes. First one to mount the flask. So got the drill press all set up here. Got that bit depth set so it won't go all the way through, just almost, hopefully. So let's give it a go, eh? Okay, where's my damn hole? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I see it now. It's right there. Right there. Don't move. Don't move, brother. Oh, yeah. No, no, no. Where's that, brother? Oh boy, how did that lined up pretty dang good there. Look at there. It's just started in each hole. Yeah, I don't want to push it in too far there right just yet. I may not get it out. So, oh yeah, it's going in. It's going in so good. Reefer like. Anyway, let's get back to things here. So that when it's all the way down, it's gonna, just almost touch the flask here. I'm probably gonna put that flask about right there to put that stop in there. With this dowel here, this walnut down, I'm gonna put this little button on top just for some decor, and I got that button. I found it in the back of my Peterbuilt sleeper. I think a young lady that joined me in there last night must have popped off her blouse. I'm not quite sure how, but I'd return it, but I don't even know her name, phone number, nothing. But let me tell you, she was a big girl, but she was pretty. Yeah. Anyway, I digress. Let's move on here. Okay, now I'm drilling the stops for the flask stop, and I decided I needed two, and I'll be damned if I didn't also find another button in my Peterbilt. Oh, boy, that was luck. Anyway, here we go. Got one drilled, got the other one started here. Forgot to turn the damn camera on, but who gives a crap, Oh, God, hell, I got a line to get this thing started in that hole. Whoa. Come on now, get in there, baby. Oh yeah. Come for refi. Yeah. Oh yeah, smoke it, baby, smoke it. That's a smoking hole there, yes, sirree, Bob. Okay, this is Uncle Reefer out here this morning, so I got these flask stop dowels cut to length, and I just drilled a little tip of the drill bit in one end so these buttons would seat in there. So I've got the decorative button on each one, epoxied in there and clamped down. Oh, so tight. Oh, baby, you're tight, yeah. So, see how that comes out. Then when that sets up, we can go ahead and epoxy them dowels into the board, because I got that flask holder epoxied in. So, that's what's next. Shut up, dog, out there. What the hell you doing? Okay, I put one of the flask stops in so far. One over right there. I'm gonna put the other one in. This is gonna be really super exciting, so hold on. Yeah. Not doing epoxy on these. I'm just using some of this crap over here. Quarter little in there. Swish them around on the side. I think I got a little too much that time. Oh well, what the hell, And then let's see. Let's go. Right there. Found that bad boy in there. Check the height here. It looks pretty darn good. Oh yeah. Uncle Reefer's pretty damn good. That's all I can tell you, boys and girls. Look at that. Look. There's like a couple of shotgun shells in there. I cracked myself up, oh boy. So, and that Flascarino goes in there, sits on nose like that. So that's how we're coming along here. Now we gotta hang them goddamn freaking shot glass holders. That's these things here. This is probably gonna be fun. Jesus, why do I do this crap? Okay, I'm getting ready to mount these shot glasses on here. They're gonna go in here, something like this. And then like a 45-degree angle there, something like that. So I already got my little starter hole here punched, one there and one there. So now I'll take it over on the drill press and drill those in, make sure I get them nice and straight, because I'm a freaking perfectionist. Okay, I glued them freaking wrought iron, whatever the hell, metal rod shot glass holders in there. And I think I got them at the angle I want. So let's see, so it's gonna look like that. What the hell? It serves its purpose. Now, where's that damn flask at? Let's see here. That thing. Holes in there, something like that, and then I think, or something, I said, please, I want class of baby. Oh, yeah. But I sure hope this is the last coat of this stuff, going on here, because I'm getting tired of smelling it. It's, actually, no, I like the smell of it, and it scares me. Here we go. Here, let's hope that doesn't. Oh, I'm feeling high. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh God. Help me. Okay, I'll just about got this damn thing done. I put that little hanger thing on it there, that little toothy thing. And what I do, I pound in those little nails on each side. And I put just a dab of glue on them. Then I tap them in. Then that helps them keep from coming loose. Sometimes when the wood moves a little bit, they get a little loose, like that gal I had in the Peterbuilt the other night. I mean, hey, never mind. Yeah, so I got the hanger on. So next thing to do, we'll just get that thing hung up, get her loaded up with the flask and the glasses, and see how she looks. Okay, here we are outside the freaking Littlewierdshop on the wall here, where there it is, all done. So I can't wait to get this home. I think I'm gonna hang it right next to my bed for my little midnight, snack, whatever. So, there it is. Maybe I'll get one more picture inside, but that's Uncle Reefer's version of first aid kit. Yeah. Okay, there it is, hanging inside right next to the fire extinguisher. In case you, drink too much of that stuff, you can just take a suck off of that sucker and put the fire out in your throat there, Oh, God. I think I did a lot better job than that freaking weirdo Ron One. That dude, he really rubs me raw. Anyway, that's it. Uncle Reefer's first aid kit, you right on.